Hey, Devin. My name is Viola. It was a pleasure talking with you on the phone earlier today. We had a good laugh with me calling your company a tree service. So thanks again for, chuckling it up with me. But basically, in this video, I'm going to show you three things you can do today to help you bring in more customers to your business. I was doing some research in your area and I came across your website and figured you guys could use some help. So I'm going to give you three tips that you can use and put into action for yourselves so you can outrank your competition online. Now, I won't waste your time and I don't want to waste my time either. So, if by the end of this video, if you like what you've heard and you can tell that I have a lot of strategies to help grow your business, give me a call and we can chat. But if not, no harm, no foul. Feel free to take these steps that I'm giving you that you can use for yourself for free. So the first thing I want to go over is content. All right, so this is your site here, right? Now, when it comes to content, Google basically, you guys need to have at least 1,500 words in order to be optimized with Google. You guys have about maybe 600. And if you take a look at your competitor, your competition, Clean Star National Incorporated, they have maybe about close to 1,000 words on their content, which is very beatable. Very beatable. Now, you got to understand, every month, people are looking for and searching for keywords for X amount of times. Now, I'm going to go over to this site that I pay for to use. I pay $400 a month to use it. And basically, this tells me, here you guys are. This basically tells me and allows me to monitor your sites and see exactly what's working and what's not working for you. So if you look at your site, you have exactly 84, you see this right here, 84 keywords, organic keywords. So what do I mean by that? I mean, let's click on it. When people go on Google, they're typing in phenomenal clean, and that's what 70 times a month. Pressure washing Marietta, Georgia, 100 times a month. This is actually really good here. Then you got Georgia pressure washing 50 times a month, and so on and so forth, right? So you have, like I said, 84 keywords. Now, if you go to your competitor, they have 358 organic keywords on there. And this is just the home page, just your home, the landing page, the site that the page that people go to as soon as they go click from Google to your page. Now, this other company here, Commercial Cleaning Services, which is Clean Star, this site right here, they have 358 organic keywords. So that makes a big difference when it comes to your competition. But again, like I said, they're very beatable. It's just a matter of getting the right content on your home page, because I could look at their keywords and I could see exactly what their keywords are. See all of these keywords here: disinfecting services, commercially cleaning Atlanta. And not all keywords are created equal, because as you can see, people are not searching for Atlanta commercial cleaning as much as they're searching for janitorial services Atlanta. So that makes a difference. But again, it's right here, plain as day. We could just take all of these keywords, add it to your home page, and that will help move your ranking up on Google, which then means more customers organically that are typing these words in are looking for pressure washing in Smyrna, Georgia. So that's the first thing I want to talk about. The second thing is citations. Now, citations are basically, let me go back. This is Google. Now, it may not look fair at the moment because I've been looking at your site, so you pop up somewhere close to the top, but that's just because I already looked at it. My computer is acknowledging that. But citations are basically everything right here. So we call this the map pack. And basically, the citation is your business name, your address, and your phone number, and how many different places you guys have that throughout the web. So how many different directories, for example, like Yelp or Yahoo, etc. Yahoo, etc. So if I go to this other site that I use, and this is a free tool, you can get it as well, local citation finder, but I already went ahead and put in the two sites. So as you see, you're right here. you have 17 citations, which means that how if I click on it, you're on LinkedIn, Facebook, Bing, so you're listed on all of these sites. But if you take a look at your competitor, they right here have 36 citations. And that again is still beatable because that is not a lot. But yet they're number one in the map pack when it comes to going on Google. So people are clicking to them first because as we all know, when you go on Google, you're not going past the first page. And we need to get you up to the first page. And this company that is very beatable, your direct competition. So now I'm sure you're asking, hey, how do I rank in maps? And I told you, I read minds. Okay, I basically read minds. So to answer your question, like I showed you in White Spark, I mean, to dive in deeper, this is like $30 to $70 a month for you to get onto White Spark, but it can be free because what I'm doing right now, the search that I did was for free for me. So you could dive deeper and get more information, or you could just do it this way. Now I want to go on to the last thing. The third thing that I wanted to talk to you about are backlinks. So I'm gonna go back to Ahrefs, which is this site here. And you see this here where it says backlinks. So backlinks are basically link juice. So you can see here where we put in the search for Smyrna pressure washing up here. All right. And basically your site isn't number one, but now this is where you want to be. And to get there, you need to beat out your competition in every aspect. So this link juice, simply put, works like this. Site A, which is your competition here, okay, is pointing to site B. So let's say, for example, it's how many different sites you have connected to your site. So you have 50 backlinks, and this site here, let's go here. They have 1,023 backlinks. So these are how many links are connecting back to their site. So again, very beatable. It's just a matter of adding some backlinks to your site. Oh, one more thing I wanted to show about your homepage. So if you take a look at your homepage, when it comes to the keywords, before I forget. So the keywords, yeah, I know we have to put 1,500 words of content on here to get your site built up a little more. But if you take a look at the picture, you see Google doesn't recognize pictures, but they do recognize keywords. So if I go here and I try to save your image, you see this? It saves as this number. See, Google's not going to recognize that. But if we put in one of these keywords, like what we saw on this back here, the organic keywords, we could even use your site. Even if we use one of these organic keywords, phenomenal, clean, or something from one of the other sites, because again, we're trying to beat the competition and they got all these clean words, we could put this and save it under this picture, and that could be one of the keywords, and Google will recognize that as a keyword because Google just speaks to the words, the keywords that people are looking up. So again, looking down below, we can see that these guys have all these links on there, and therefore we could take every single link they have and go after them for your own site. So once again, we went over three things. Content, your front page needs at least 1,500 words. Citations, you want to have 200 to 300 of these, all right, to beat out your competition. Now, your competition has over 1,000. So I'm sorry, that's the backlinks. They have over 1,000 backlinks, but as far as their citations, we already saw that we need to do a little bit more than 36 is what they have. We could definitely beat that. That's not a lot to beat. Let's see, you have 17, they have 36. And Google wants to have at least 200 to 300. So we got to up your citations, and then your link juice, which is your backlinks. All right, we got to make sure that we get some more backlinks in there so we can outrank the competition. And in return, get more people calling for your organic pressure washing business. So, well, now you could either go with this information I provided to you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 718-702-2843. Again, my name is Viola Barnett, and this is my number here, 718-702-2843. I look forward to hearing from you, and you have a great one. Thanks, Devin.